everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia. So today is my birthday. I am 21 for the 4th year in a row. And I just thought that it would be fun to kind of do a glam look, something that was pretty, really perfect for fall. I am so happy. Fall is on Tuesday, so today is my birthday, September 20th. Fall is the 22nd, the first day of fall. So I thought what better than to, do a fun look for my birthday, but one that can also be done for this weather that is coming on through. I am so excited that fall is coming. Oh, it's the best time of year in my opinion. So yeah, I'm trying out some new products, some that you've seen here before, and I just really love how this look turned out. So if you want to see how I got so pretty to, chill in the living room for my 25th birthday, then keep on watching. I am 25 years old today, and I decided that I wanted to do a really pretty fall glam look. I've done this look before, I just have never filmed it. I've done it once before actually, and I just think it's perfect for fall. It's definitely my vibe personally, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So my eyebrows are already primed. I used my, it's not even here, but I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and I've also primed my eyelids. I used my Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Original. So now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take my Melt Rust palette, and I'm going to start with the shade. So I'm going to start with this shade right here called Ravage, and I'm just going to pat that all over my lid using a packer brush. Okay, so now for my transition, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here called Mar. I'm gonna place that directly above where I put Ravage on a Morphe M441 brush. Alright, now that that is complete, I'm going to go ahead and add some lightness to my eyes since it's just really, really dark and deep. And I'm going to take this shade right here called Tarnish, and I'm using that on a Morphe M167 brush, and I'm basically just going to pat it right here in the middle of my eye to kind of create a bit of a like halo eye, so it's just dark on either side and then light in the middle. Alright, now so to lighten up my brow bone, I'm going to take this shade right here called Antique and just place it directly above where I put Mar, just to kind of brighten it up a bit.
That's good.
Alright, so that is it for the eyeshadow. So right now I'm going to take my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to line right above my lashes because it's just, I'm still struggling with false lashes because I don't wear them as much. So this is definitely going to help. So I'm going to line these off camera and apply my lashes. I'm wearing my Lilly lashes in the shade, in the style Miami, and then we'll be able to move on to my face. Okay, so my lashes are on, so now we're moving on to the face. I'm gonna go ahead and take my primer. This is my Milk Makeup Hydrogrip Primer. I'm gonna put that all over my face. Okay, and now for my powder, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Setting Powder. This is in the shade Hazelnut on a flat Vanity Planet brush, and I'm just going to hit the spots that get the oiliest on my face. This really has been like a lifesaver, so shout out to Jaclyn, who understands the struggles of having oily skin. My skin is combination, but I still have some pretty oily spots because of that, so this trick has definitely helped me out. So now for my foundation, I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Almond 6.5, and I'm going to blend that out on a Morphe blending brush. For my concealer, I'm going to take my Fenty Matchstick concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm just going to place that in the areas of my face that I want to highlight, and then I'm also going to blend that out using my Morphe Beauty Sponge. So now to set all of that, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. I'm using the shade Tan, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe E59 brush. No, you didn't. I'm skipping out on the cream contour today, but I am definitely going to do some bronzing. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty, and I'm going to use that on a... Oh, wait a minute! I used the wrong brush for my powder. Whoops. I'm supposed to use... Okay. You just saw me do my powder. I'm supposed to use a Morphe E3 brush for the powder. So for the bronzer, I'm using Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty and a Morphe E59. So, whoops, but whatever. So anyways, this is the combo that we're going with for bronzer today. Alright, so for my blush, I'm going to take my Melt Blushlight in the shade Sundown on a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH04 brush. That's a great song. Okay, so for my highlight, I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill The Flare palette. I bought this when it was on sale, and she even announced on her story, she's like, once it's gone, so make sure you get your hands on it. And I've been wanting it for a while, so I just finally bit the bullet and got it. So I'm going to go in with this shade right up here. Ooh, it's kind of hard to see. Right here, called Major Look. And I'm taking it on a J02 brush. Oh my gosh, I just realized I forgot to do the rest of my face with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation. I'm just gonna quickly do that anyways, even though that's an earlier step. I'm in the shade Hazelnut. I bought a new shade. I just went to Sephora yesterday, so I bought a new shade. I found one that worked for me. The lady helped me figure it out because, as you all know, this shade is discontinued. So we're just gonna quickly pop that on. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot. It's like one of my favorite steps. Gotta get it together. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my eyes. So I'm going to take this brush right here. This is a Morphe M321 brush, and I'm gonna grab the shade that I used as my transition. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna grab a different shade. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Rust, and I'm just gonna sweep that on my lower lash line.
That's good.
Now to deepen that up a little bit more, I'm going to take this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH43 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix Mar and Wrought Squared, and I'm just gonna place that really thinly just right underneath my, my lower lash line. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here called Erode and place that on the inner corner of my eyes using a Morphe M508 brush. Okay, so I finished up the rest of my eyes off camera, but I just used my Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in the shade Blacker on my waterline and lower lash line. Then I also used some Maybelline mascara. So for my lips, I think I want to try out the new Rare Beauty Dewy Lip Balm, which is Selena Gomez's new makeup line. So the shade that I want to try out is called Appreciate, and it's like this really pretty brown. If this sucks and I end up hating it, I'll just do my tried and true, but let's just try it out just to see. That's not, wow. That has a lot more pigment than I thought, because it said Dewy Lip Balm, but it smells good too. Okay, Selena. I actually like that. So because I love gloss and I want to add a little bit more gloss to it, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm going to put some of that over top. Wow. Alright, and then to finish everything off, I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And that is the finished look. This is fall, this is mature, this is 25, okay? So yeah, I'm incredibly happy with it. I love how it turned out. I think it's really beautiful. And yeah, that's it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat, maybe get drunk. Well, maybe, we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!